Greetings, Dennis Daniels here. This is a Nexus 5 and I'm going to install it with the Ubports installer from Ubuntu. I'm on an Ubuntu machine right now, 19.1. I'd like to say it's a great machine, a great operating system, but it's been buggy. That's not the point. The point is to install Ubports on this Nexus 5. I bought it online for about 40 bucks. It does work. You can see it works. And now I'm going to do an installation. So let's go ahead and fire up a terminal. Control-Shift-V. Enter password. And we're off to the races. Again, this is the Nexus 5. Okay, so it looks like it's installed, so let's go ahead and run Ubports, see what happens. Ubports installer. Okay. And here we go. This is the 4.8 beta. Please connect your device, which is slightly ironic because the Nexus 5 did show. There it is. It's right there. So Nexus 5 does show up. And I don't need this anymore. Okay, so connect your device to enable developer mode. Okay, so let's go ahead and enable developer mode. I have not done that, obviously. So we go to settings, about phone, and let's take a look at how to. Please select OK. Oh, Android. This is done from system settings. Go to about phone, build number 3 times. Okay. So I'm going to tap on the build number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, and there we go. It says I am a developer now. And let's see if the UI has picked that up. It says that I am a developer, but the device is not found yet, so let's restart it. I'm gonna arrow up once to re-engage Ubports installer. And again, it says it's waiting for a device. That's strange because I did plug it in. Let's unplug it. Plug it in again. Okay, again, this is Ubuntu 19.1. It says waiting for device. And again, just to be clear, you can see the Nexus 5 is there. I wonder if there's something else that I need to do here. All right, so I'm going to select my device manually. Nexus 5, select, preparing installation, and so far nothing's happening on the screen here. say without a doubt I'm a little surprised that it's this slow. Again, I'm running a Nexus 5. The machine sees it. It's really actually quite slow, if anything at all is happening, which is the problem with many of these UIs, is that you don't know if anything is actually going on. Nothing's changed here in the UI, on either UI. If anything, it would be nice if there was some sort of indication of what's going on with the scripts. Troubleshooting guide. Let's take a look at that, see if there's anything. Okay. Maybe it's the snap version of this that is not working, because this is, I mean, we're going nowhere here. Or if we're going somewhere, it's clearly not showing any changes. There's still nothing changed on the on my UI here on the Nexus 5. I'm going to abort this snap installation. Might be the problem. The phone might be the problem. Computer might be the problem. The software might be the problem. There are too many problems to count. The big problem is that there is no indication of what's going on here in the installation interface. It says it's fetching installation instructions, but I'm on a fast machine with a fast internet connection, so it shouldn't take this long. Although, let's take... Okay, I'm aborting. This is Ubports installer 4.8 beta. It's not working for me. Thanks for watching and happy computing.